My phone controls my life. I check it every few minutes, even when I am sleeping. So I decided to spend one full day without it. What I discovered about myself was surprising. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Slow English Podcast. I'm Abid and today I want to share a very different experience with you. Last week, I decided to spend one whole day without my phone. No calls, no messages, no social media, just me and the world around me. It was not easy at all, but it taught me some important lessons. Let me tell you what happened. When I wake up in the morning, my first habit is always check my phone. I usually scroll through messages, look at the news, and watch a few short videos. But that day, I left my phone in another room. Instead, I opened my window, a deep breath. The sky looked beautiful, and I could hear birds singing. I realized that I often miss these small moments because I am looking at my screen. As the morning continued, I started to feel a little nervous, even though I knew it wasn't there. I felt disconnected from my friends and the world. I wondered if I was missing any important message or news. At breakfast, I usually watch YouTube videos or listen to music on my phone. Without it, I just sat quietly and enjoyed my food. I noticed the taste of my tea and the crumbs of my toast. I even had time to think about my plan for the day. I felt peaceful but also a little lonely. During the day, I had find new ways to spend my time. I read a book that I had forgotten about. I cleaned my room and organized my desk. When I went outside for a walk, I left my phone at home. I listened to the sounds of the street, children playing, people talking, birds chirping. I smiled at neighbor and would talk for a few minutes. Usually, I would be busy with my phone and not notice the people around me. In the afternoon, I started to feel a little bored. Usually, when I am bored, I watch funny videos or chat with friends. But this time, I had to think of something else. So I wrote my notebook about how I was feeling. I realized that I was thinking more deeply, to paying more attention to my thoughts. By evening, I left calm and relaxed. My mind was clear and I was not thinking about notifications or messages. I spent time with my family and had a long conversation with my parents. I listened to their stories and shared my own. It was a simple but special time. At the end of the day, I learned something important. Sometimes we need to disconnect it from technology to reconnect with ourselves and the people around us. A day without my phone was difficult, but it made me appreciate the small things in life, like fresh air, good food, and real conversations. Have you ever tried spending a day without your phone? How do you think you would feel? Would you like to try it? Please share your thoughts and stories in the comments. I would love to hear from you. Thank you for listening to my story on the Slow English podcast. If you enjoy this episode, please like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next time.